In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Fortnite split screen on the PS5. Now, if you logged into Fortnite and you're using your main profile and you want someone else to join, you're going to need to make sure you connect a second controller to the PlayStation 5. So you can plug that in via the USB-C cable right into the console and then turn on that controller, or you can connect it via Bluetooth. And watch one of my other videos if you need to connect it via Bluetooth. So once you've connected that other controller, you're going to need to turn it on and then log in to another account. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on that second controller. And as you can see, it's trying to assign a profile to that controller. And this is where you can click add a user and log in to another PlayStation account. But I have one already created, so I'm going to log in on this user. And then once you click and log into that user, it's going to automatically start logging you in. And if you have a Epic Games account, you're going to go ahead and log in to that Epic Games account so that you can play on this console as well. So as you can see, it's giving me the code to link my Epic Games account to the PlayStation account that I've just logged in from. And then once you've logged in, you have to accept the end user license agreement. And then now that I've joined, it shows that the new profile has joined on Fortnite on your PS5. And then it's showing that you can hold the options button to take control of the game and access your locker, battle pass, and quests. And then if you ever want to switch back to the other player, they need to hold the options button again to take control. So now you have both players logged into Fortnite, and then you can load into a game, and then that's how you can play Fortnite split screen on the PS5. Hopefully you found this helpful. Thanks for tuning in.